Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You should already have a school Google account and basic assets ready. Open Google Sites and click blank to begin. Name the site with the course and term so it's findable. Once done, set sharing to your domain or specific students. Make sure to grant viewer or editor as appropriate. Add a header image and choose a layout. This gives immediate visual structure. Keep your navigation plan in mind so pages will follow the logical flow you preselected. You'll create the core pages next: home, syllabus, lessons, and assignments. Use the Insert panel to add text boxes, embed links, and drag drive files directly. This keeps materials live and editable. For recurring tasks, embed a Google Calendar and a form for submissions so you automate due dates and collection. Once done with one lesson page, duplicate it and replace content to speed up building. Make sure to test links and permissions. You're now ready to publish. Preview the site on mobile and desktop, then click Publish and choose a simple URL. Notify students via email or classroom and pin the link for easy access. If something goes wrong, first confirm file and folder permissions in Drive. Many issues are just restricted sharing. Next, clear cache or reopen the published URL to resolve stale embeds. If embedding fails, re-add with the correct link or use Drive's shareable link as a fallback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.